Yo, what's up everybody, Phil Lowe here, and I'm stoked to be sharing this video with you. Listen, we've all been there, scrolling through Instagram, seeing those epic travel photos and thinking, man, I wish I could do that. The truth is you can. We're diving deep into the world of location independence, figuring out how to make money while traveling the world. Forget the 9-to-5 grind, we're talking about building a life where work and adventure go hand in hand. Get ready to break free because we're about to unlock the secrets to funding your travel dreams and living life on your own terms. Alright, let's break down this whole freelancing thing. It's all about using your skills to offer services online. The beauty? You can be anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. Think about it. Are you a killer writer? Graphic designer? Maybe you're a coding ninja. These skills are in high demand and there are tons of platforms like Upwork and Fiverr where you can find clients. The key is to build a strong portfolio, hustle for those first few gigs, and then let the freedom roll in. Imagine this, you're sitting in a cafe overlooking the Mediterranean sipping espresso and finishing up a project for a client in New York City. That's the power of freelancing, my friends. Okay, so you love to travel, right? Why not share your experiences with the world and get paid for it? Blogging and vlogging are like a digital travel journal that can actually make you money. Think about it, you're exploring a new city, trying exotic foods, immersing yourself in the culture, document it all. Create stunning videos, write captivating blog posts, and share your adventures with your audience. As you grow your following, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships with travel brands, and even affiliate marketing. It's like turning your passion into a paycheck, and who wouldn't want to do that? Chapter 3. Here's a cool way to make money while traveling teaching English online. It's easier than you think. Platforms like italki and Verbling connect you with students all over the globe, and you can teach from anywhere with a laptop and a stable internet connection. Imagine this, you're in a bustling market in Thailand, the aroma of street food filling the air, and you're teaching English to a group of eager students in South Korea. It's a cultural exchange and a way to earn money all at the same time. Plus, you're helping others achieve their language goals, which is a pretty awesome feeling. Chapter 4. Listen up, because this is huge. More and more companies are embracing remote work, which means you can have a real job and still travel the world. We're talking about tech companies, marketing agencies, customer support roles. The opportunities are endless. Websites like remote.co and We Work Remotely are gold mines for finding these remote positions. The key is to highlight your skills, your adaptability, and your passion for exploring new places. Imagine this, you're working from a hammock in Bali, the sound of the ocean waves crashing in the background, and you're crushing your deadlines for a company based in San Francisco. That's the future of work, my friends. Chapter 5. This one's all about leveraging the power of the internet to create passive income streams. What do I mean by that? I'm talking about building digital products that can be sold anywhere in the world. Are you an amazing photographer, sell your presets online, have a knack for writing, create an ebook or a course? The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, once you create the product, it can generate income while you're off exploring the world. It's like having your own online business that fits in your backpack. Pretty cool, right? So there you have it, folks, 5 ways to make money while traveling the world. The key takeaway? Don't be afraid to chase your dreams. Find something you love, something that lights you up, and figure out a way to make it work while you're on the move. Remember, the world is a big, beautiful place, and it's waiting to be explored. So pack your bags, grab your laptop, and get out there. And if you're hungry for more tips on living a life of freedom and adventure, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep exploring.